Arquus MAV'RX. Introduced at Eurosatori 2024 in France, the MAV'RX is a next-generation armored vehicle prototype that has already drawn major attention from the defense community. Powered by a robust 400 horsepower engine, it can carry up to 10 personnel, including the driver and commander. The MAV'RX demonstrates impressive off-road performance, capable of fording water up to 1.2 meters deep. At the show, it was fitted with a 25mm machine gun turret, though it supports various weapon configurations. Its armor can resist 14.5 by 114mm rounds from 200 meters, making it a strong contender for future battlefield deployment. EA 155mm SPGH DITA. The DITA is a next-generation 155mm self-propelled howitzer designed for speed, efficiency, and minimal crew requirements. With advanced automation, it only needs a commander and a driver to operate in combat. On roads, it can reach speeds of 90 km per hour and up to 25 km per hour off-road. Its firepower is equally impressive, delivering 6 rounds per minute initially, with a sustained rate of 5. DITA carries up to 40 rounds and can strike targets as far as 39 kilometers, making it a highly mobile and lethal artillery system on the modern battlefield. Elbit Systems Nano SPEAR. The Nano SPEAR is a next-generation RF decoy developed by Elbit Systems to counter both air-to-air and surface-to-air missile threats. Revealed at the Paris Air Show, it integrates with standard countermeasure dispensing systems, requiring minimal aircraft modification. Weighing under 800 grams, it is suitable for both legacy and modern platforms. Designed for high-efficiency deployment, it offers enhanced survivability in contested airspace, making it a vital addition to advanced electronic warfare suites. Simunition. Simunition is a global leader in close-quarter combat training systems, delivering unmatched realism through advanced non-lethal 5.56mm ammunition with accuracy up to 30 meters. Their solutions include specialized protective gear, weapon conversion kits, and expertly crafted training scenarios. From urban and woodland combat to VIP protection. Trusted by military and police forces worldwide, Simunition sets the standard for safe, high-intensity tactical preparation. VENOM. Not this. The VENOM grenade launcher was created for the United States Marine Corps. It can fire up to 1,700 meters, works with various grenades, and comes in different versions. For instance, the VENOM V337 features 30 barrels in a 38mm caliber. For those wanting more flexibility, there's a multi-caliber option too. VENOM can also be mounted on vehicles. It can be used to fire warning shots, disperse crowds, or for riot control. Teledyne FLIR SUGV. The Teledyne FLIR SUGV is a lightweight multi-mission robot built for both reconnaissance and demining operations. Weighing just 13 kilograms, it can lift up to 10 kilograms with its robotic arm and confidently climb stairs in complex environments. With a top speed of 10 kilometers per hour and 4 integrated color cameras, it delivers real-time visual intelligence. Its user-friendly interface, controlled via an Android tablet, allows operators to manage multiple units simultaneously. Compact, agile, and versatile, the SUGV is a vital asset for military missions and emergency response scenarios alike. The Barracuda ULcast FSS from Saab sets the gold standard for camouflage. This netting not only perfectly conceals personnel and vehicles from thermal cameras, but also allows GPS and radio signals to pass through. Moreover, it reduces solar heat by up to 80% and effectively shields against radar in the 1 to 100 GHz frequency range. It's no surprise that this product is favored in over 40 countries, including the United States. SkyWall Auto. SkyWall Auto proved its effectiveness during the G7 summit in Germany, where it was deployed to counter potential drone threats. Designed with autonomy in mind, the system integrates advanced AI algorithms to quickly detect, track, and engage multiple aerial targets. It uses specialized reusable projectiles, some equipped with nets and parachutes, to capture drones intact for later analysis. Capable of intercepting drones flying at speeds up to 43 kilometers per hour, SkyWall Auto offers a non-destructive high-precision solution. Remarkably, the entire system can be operated by a single user, making it both efficient and highly practical for modern security operations. The Stinger is a lightweight armored vehicle built for high-speed reconnaissance and patrol missions. Capable of reaching speeds up to 120 km per hour, it features remote control operation for enhanced flexibility in the field. Engineered to meet STANAG 4560 standards, it offers protection against 7.62 by 51mm NATO rounds at 30 meters and withstands blasts from 10 kg mines. Its modular design supports various weapon systems, including machine guns, 30mm cannons, and rocket launchers. The DOK-ING MV3 is the world's first and only multi-purpose anti-terror robotic vehicle, developed over 3 years to meet the demands of high-risk tactical operations. It can transport a team of 8 and is remotely controlled from distances up to 500 meters, ensuring operator safety in dangerous environments. Traveling at speeds of up to 8 km per hour, the MV3 is equipped with advanced features including a camera and monitor system, a robotic manipulator arm, and a front-mounted battering ram. Its modular build allows it to be quickly adapted for various missions, such as breaching or hostage rescue. TEC Torch. The team behind the TEC Torch has every reason to be proud, having secured a contract with the US Air Force. This compact thermite torch delivers a high-temperature jet of vaporized metal and particles through a precision nozzle for about 2 seconds, reaching over 2,200 degrees Celsius. It can cut a 9mm hole through 12.7mm of steel with ease. Even more impressive, it operates reliably underwater. With its powerful cutting capability and versatility, the TEC Torch is an essential tool not only for military missions but also for rescue teams, commercial divers, and specialized industrial operations. Anduril ALTIUS. The Anduril ALTIUS is part of a cutting-edge family of loitering munitions, often dubbed kamikaze drones. The standard ALTIUS 700M model carries a 15-kg warhead with destructive power comparable to the AGM-114 Hellfire missile. Capable of neutralizing armored vehicles, tanks, and even naval targets, it offers a strike range of up to 160 km. Equipped with advanced internal systems, ALTIUS can perform complex flight missions and be operated in swarms. A single operator can manage multiple drones simultaneously, making it a powerful and flexible tool in modern combat scenarios. Aselsan TİMSAH T3100C. The Aselsan TİMSAH T3100C is a next-generation optical sight designed for both rifles and handguns, offering exceptional performance across multiple environments. It features a high-resolution OLED display, 1280 by 1024, with adjustable contrast, brightness, and color palette. Built-in night vision and thermal imaging modes enhance visibility in low light or adverse conditions. The system supports connectivity via data cable, laser designator, and remote control. Weighing around 1 kilogram, the TİMSAH T3100C delivers up to 8 hours of operation, making it a reliable and versatile aiming solution for modern missions. John Cockerill Defense Tank Boat. The X-18C is a high-speed, maneuverable armored boat with a distinctive catamaran design. Its hull is made from advanced composite material, engineered to be 10 times lighter and stronger than steel. At its core is the Cockerill C-1030 combat module, which supports a 105mm rifled gun, though the prototype is fitted with a 30mm Bushmaster Mark 44. Capable of transporting up to 20 Marines, the X-188C can reach speeds of 74 km per hour, making it ideal for rapid deployment and amphibious operations. PL-01. The PL-01 concept light tank made its debut at a defense exhibition in 2013. But its development was unfortunately discontinued in 2015. Despite this, the design was highly innovative. Based on the Swedish CV9120T, it bore a closer resemblance to the M1 Abrams and Leopard 2. It featured an unmanned turret with a 120mm cannon capable of launching missiles and was promoted as a stealth tank. The PL-01 had a projected top speed of 50 km per hour and a range of 250 km on a single fuel tank. Developed under the US Army's SMET program, the HDT Hunter WOLF is a highly capable 6-wheeled robotic carrier designed to support ground troops in the field. Tested extensively by the US Marines, it can transport payloads of up to 1 ton across challenging terrain. Its hybrid drivetrain enables it to recharge while moving, and it also functions as a 15 kilowatt mobile power generator. The system can autonomously follow soldiers, reducing the need for manual control. With an open modular architecture, the Hunter WOLF can be configured for various missions, including logistics support and integration with advanced weapon systems. The XM204 is a cutting-edge development in anti-vehicle mine technology, designed to engage armored threats with precision. Shaped like a suitcase, this compact system houses 4 top attack mines and weighs just 38 kilograms, light enough for 2 soldiers to carry. It can detect and track targets within a 1 kilometer radius. When an enemy vehicle approaches within 50 meters, the XM204 launches its mines upward to strike from above, targeting the weakest points of armor. The system offers programmable self-destruct timers, 4 hours, 2 days, or 15 days, enhancing battlefield safety and mission flexibility. It's a new benchmark in smart landmine warfare. The Grille drone, marked with red crosses, is built for medical evacuation in high-risk zones. It features a vital signs monitoring system and real-time video communication for psychological support. Capable of carrying up to 135 kilograms, it has a maximum range of 51 kilometers and cruises at 86 kilometers per hour. Designed for rapid response, the system can be deployed within 15 minutes by a 2-person team, making it ideal for urgent battlefield extractions. The Arion-SMET is a lightweight all-electric combat vehicle developed in South Korea and has drawn interest from the US Department of Defense. Designed for frontline logistics, casualty evacuation, and reconnaissance missions, it supports autonomous operation and includes a neural network-powered remote weapon station. This advanced system can detect enemy troops, locate the origin of gunfire, and respond with precision. With all-wheel drive, Arion-SMET reaches speeds up to 34 kilometers per hour and offers a range of 100 kilometers per charge, making it ideal for rapid response battlefield roles. DOGO is a compact 22-pound stealth robot designed for close-quarters operations. Armed with a 9mm Glock, it can engage targets up to 18 feet away while moving quietly at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. Its agile design allows it to navigate obstacles, climb stairs, and breach buildings with ease. Featuring 360-degree vision, 8-color cameras, and advanced day-night targeting, DOGO excels in any terrain. It also carries non-lethal options like pepper spray, making it a versatile asset in tactical environments.